Right, get in. How do we get in? There. We're gonna get in the R.A.C truck. I'm videoing this, by the way.
Oh, yeah, I think I get out.
Is that doing it?
Yeah. I think we're down the road.
Ow! I just fell in the truck.
Okay, we're in the back of an
I bet there was loads of.
Is it still videoing?
Yeah.
We're in the back of an R.A.C truck and it is fucking awesome.
That's the front. The height. Hold it.
Let me just get George away. We're in the back of an R.A.C truck.
Oh god.
We'll just give George a veggie.
I love the bit both.
With the R.A.C truck.
Why does this look exciting? Because I've never
No
been in
idea.
this situation before.
Never.
All the bars. What's this?
I don't know.
I get to hold on to no. Free time. You dare, I would kill you. R.A.C. won. Okay,
I
so
see to prove that we're in R.C.
it says R.A.C. won.
R.A.C.
And look, it's orange.
See? And it's big.
And
R.A.C. 2008 map in the back of it.
and no, you can't see.
Well, good phone. Come on, this is like, I don't know how to get out of here. Ta-da! We're in an R.A.C. truck.
Okay, we're gonna go now, aren't we?
Yeah.
Or we can keep going. I'll keep going until they come in, so it'll probably be unexpected.
Let's video them.